Okay, the novel that we're reading in class, per se, is What is Climate Change? In the very beginning, it talks about the effect the climate is having on polar bears. This is something that you should have already read. And in conjunction with that, we're going to look at The Lonely Polar Bear by Koa Lee. There was a snowstorm that lasted for many days. The strong wind was wailing and crying. When the storm was finally over, a polar bear slowly crawled out of an icy cave. He was quite small. The little polar bear wandered around the vast, snowy-covered land, looking for his mommy and his brothers. Suddenly, he saw a strange thing, a little spirit girl from the night sky. Little friend, bear. The little spirit girl climbed onto the polar bear's back, and they walked on and on. They traveled very far. A long, long way together. One night, they saw an amazing sight. The little spirit girl said, "Look, Bear, the northern lights. My family is coming." It's time to come home. And so the polar bear kept walking on his own. Puffins joined him and he swam. The polar bear continued swimming. The fish quickly swam past him. "Goodbye, Bear." When the polar bear reached land, he continued walking. The elks greeted him with a big hello. "Hello," said the polar bear, but he still hadn't found his family. The polar bear made many friends on his journey. He met some noisy friends and some quiet friends. Time passed and the polar bear grew older. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. But he wasn't as big as he should have been. There was little for him to eat on the slowly melting ice. The pieces of the ice drifted farther and farther. Without the spirit friend, he felt lost. The polar bear fell asleep and began to dream. He saw the dark winter sky filled with glowing sparkles. "Long time no see." "Lonely bear, I have always kept an eye on you. You can only see our light in winter when the sky is dark, but I am always here." "It's okay, spirit friend, don't worry. I made many other friends. I'm not lonely anymore." Somewhere in the snowy North Pole, a polar bear is sitting quietly and peacefully, enjoying his beautiful sky filled with northern lights. And this is the very final page. And this is the assignment that we're going to do. It says, polar bears face an uncertain future due to climate change that is causing their ice habitat to melt. Find out how you can help them survive and thrive by visiting online resources. And this is actually linked in Google Classroom for you. I can't wait to see what you come up with.